Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about awk function in Python function series. Awk function in Python. What is awk function and why it is used? Awk function is used to convert a given decimal value to its corresponding octal value. Now, for converting decimal value to its octal value, we are using awk function in Python. Now let us discuss about the parameters. Awk function holds only single parameter. Let us discuss it with an example, oct of num. Here num is nothing but the decimal value which is to be converted to its octal value. Let us discuss the return type for this function. Awk function returns a string with the prefix 0O which represents octal. Now let us discuss this function with a small program. Num equal to int of input octal string equal to oct of num. Print octal string. Here the octal value of num is printed here. In order to convert this to decimal value, we have to proceed print int of octal string comma base 8. Now to eliminate the prefix in this octal string, we have to use the slice operator. Print octal string 2 to the last element. Let's run this code. Giving 4 as input, we can able to see the octal value of the given input is printed and its decimal value, and the prefix 0O is eliminated in the third result. Hope you guys understand this code. See you guys in the next video.